Hello third class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. So students, today we are going to start our block 7 and this is the lesson 1 of your block. Now student, tell me, where did you go last year for a holiday? So last year I went Shimla for a holiday. Now student, tell me, which date was yesterday? Which date was yesterday? Yesterday was 13 August. Okay. Now students, today we will play a matching game by using these cards. By these cards. Today we will play matching game with these cards. So student, let's start. Okay. Now look at this card. Which card is this? Go. Now find the card that is the past tense of this card. Now we will find out. Now find out this matching card. Now this is the go का past क्या है? Went. So this is the matching card for go. Go का क्या हो जाएगा? Went. Now student, look at this card. Now look at a card. Which card is this? Sit. Find out the matching card. Find out its matching. There is a. This is the card. Sat. Sit का पास्ट क्या है? Sit के लिए हमने कार्ड क्या यूज किया? Sat. This is the matching card for sit. Now look at the next card. This is a card wake. Now find out its matching. There is a matching. Now this is the matching for this card. Walk. Now this is your next card. Keep. Now find out its matching card. Cat. This is the matching card for this. Now look at this card. Break. Find out its matching. This one. Broke. Now this is your next card. Win. Now find out its matching. This one. Won. This is the matching card for this card. Won. Now look at this card. Take. Now find out its matching. Took. Now move on next card. This is card C. Now let's find out its matching card. Sa. This is matching card for this. Sa. Now look at this card. Speak. Now find out its matching. Spoke. Speak. Spoke. Now look at this card. This is card run. Find out its matching. Ran. Now look at this card. Put. Now find out its matching. Put. So students, these are the cards. There are some cards and these are the matching card for these cards. Now students, tell me, how were the orange or red? How were the red card and blue cards alike? How? So students, all the red both cards have verbs. This is a verb, this is also a verb. This is a verb, this is also a verb. So both the cards have verbs. Both the cards have verbs. Now student, tell me, how were they different? How were they different? So the red cards have present tense verbs. See, whereas the blue cards, they're matching past tense verbs. So these are the past tense verbs. Went, sat, woke. These are past tense verbs. Okay. Now student, tell me, how are the ed forms of verbs similar to the past tense verbs we learned today? How they are similar? This verb, these verbs, these past tense verbs, these past tense verbs and ed verbs like locked, pushed. How they are similar? The verbs tells about the actions in the past, something that happened before. These are past tense verbs and ed verbs, ending with ed verbs are also past tense verbs. So this is the similarities between these verbs, these past tense verbs and ed past tense verbs. Now student, tell me, how they are different? How they are different? These verbs do not follow a pattern like ed. अब देखो ये verb हैं woke, sat, kept. They not follow ed pattern. इनके लास्ट में ed नहीं है ना, but they are also present tense, past tense verbs. So this is the difference between these verbs, and they are irregular verbs. We call these verbs irregular verbs because they are not normal or regular. Okay. Now student, tell me which irregular verbs can you think that do not change at all in the past tense? कौन से ऐसे वर्ब हैं जो पास्ट टेंस में भी सेम रहेंगी और प्रेजेंट में सेम रहेंगे? सो दीज आर द वर्ब्स पुट, कट, हिट, लेट. डो नॉट चेंज देयर फॉर्म. वो सेम ही रहेंगी. अगर प्रेजेंट में पुट है तो आपका पास्ट में भी पुट रहेगा. कट है प्रेजेंट में तो आपका पास्ट में भी कट ही रहेगा. ओके. सो दिस इज योर टॉपिक, irregular past tense verbs. All these are saw, broke, went. These are irregular past tense verbs. Now let's discuss our worksheet S1, and this is your block 7, writing a fantasy story. Now student, this is question 1. Fill in the blanks with the past form of the verbs given in the bracket. Here are some verbs in the bracket. अब देखो, now I keep my keys on the table. हमें past form में change करना है keep को. keep की past form हो जाएगी kept. तो we write down here kept. I leave early yesterday. yesterday की बात हो रही है तो past हो रहा है ना, तो leave का क्या हो जाएगा left. She bring gifts for everyone. bring का क्या हो जाएगा bought. रेनू sit. sit is present एंड पास्ट में चेंज करना है तो sat. The car hit the tree. तो hit is present और इसका पास्ट में भी hit ही रहेगा. She dash put lots of cheese on the pizza. put है आपका तो प्रेजेंट में है तो पास्ट में भी put ही रहेगा. तो सो वी राइट डाउन हियर put. Now this is question 2. Answer the questions in complete sentence. There are some questions you have to answer these questions in complete sentence. What did you do after school yesterday? Okay. Where did you go for your holidays last year? Last year I go हो जाएगा. Go का क्या हो जाएगा? Went. Okay. I went. जो भी प्लेस है वो आप कहाँ गए थे वो आपको राइट करना है. नाउ दिस इज क्वेश्चन सी पार्ट. व्हाट डिड यू डू ओवर द वीकेंड? ओवर द जो आपने वर्क किया है वो यहाँ पे आप राइट करोगे इस वीक के अंदर. ओके, वीक के एंड तक वीकेंड. ओके, नाउ जो वर्क किया था वीकेंड के अंदर वो आपको आप यहाँ पे राइट करना है. ओके, तो सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई कंप्लीटेड block 6 over the weekend. This is question 3. Write about what happened in the pictures using past tense verbs. Underline the irregular verb. irregular verbs कौन सी हैं? जैसे went हो गया, kept हो गया, उनको आपको अंडरलाइन करना है. और यहाँ पे इस पिक्चर को आपको देखना है. Look at this picture and what happened in the picture using past tense. Past tense use करना. Okay.